dance. Walk. Cool off. New York City, we see you. New York, Almighty, City, Green.
Food is not good. Very, very cheap. Yeah. Can I place an order for pickup, please? May I have 2 with grilled chicken? Actually, I'll just take the beef. Never mind. Fish.
Okay. What type of salsa? So 2 grill and 1 fish, right?
Yes. Yeah, can I also get a mini nacho supreme? Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just want to give you guys a little skin update coming on. So I'm proud, and the other day I had like very dark spots or a very dark shade here in my contoured area, which is still there as you can see, and it was all from a chemical burn that I had from retin-A, and it was all over my chest as well. As you can see that here is lighter than here. This is just healing. So it was really bad. I'll try to insert pictures here so you can see it, how bad I was burned. But hey, we moved, we bounced back, and that's the good thing. I just ordered some food to go, so I'm gonna go pick it up. Today's a holiday. Yeah, I'm just gonna be in editing a video to upload today. I'm just gonna chat with you guys a little bit while I get my food. I'll talk to you babies soon. I'm gonna go on the road now. So there's some people, right, who are kill up themselves to take photos. Actually, it was first them in the road down there, so I almost lick them. I just try reverse. The girl them walk right behind the car just for some photos. That's ridiculous. I can't let it up. Just a pick up and go if that's okay. You can't stand in a corner where cars are going to come and hit you. Yeah? For photos. Is it that serious? So I'm all done with collecting my food. Oh my god, we got a Corona and some food. My food actually came up to $4,000. You guys are seeing it. So that was not good. That was everything I'm trying not to spend, but it's whatever.
I was the king of New York. When I was the option, you pick them apart. I give them we make money every night.
Okay, so these are all the sauce that I have, and I got some chips. Not sure why they gave me extra, but this is the mini nacho supreme, and I got some tacos as well. So I'm gonna just watch some Netflix and eat. This is so spicy. Yeah, spicy salsa, black bean, cheese, guac, jalapeno. For tacos, I got the crispy fish and 2 grilled chicken. I want to go to Mexico just for this. I don't know how people don't like Mexican food, or because I love it. Netflix time, especially with the jalapeno, like
Wait a minute. There'll be another family. Oh, come on. Ew! Don't worry about it.
Now your body never made me China.
alright, so I'm trying to get some jumbo shells to make like a stuffed pasta. Got all the ingredients I need to get. I'm right now at Mega Mart, but I'm leaving because I was at General Foods and don't have it at General Foods. I just came to Mega Mart, but they don't have it at Mega Mart either. I'm gonna head to La Souchon. I actually called them and they do have it, and they left it at customer service for me, so I just need to go ahead and pick it up and pay for them. So that's awesome. And it's so rainy, so wet and gloomy, as you can see. Well, I hope you can see, but it's really wet out today. I also went to Half a Tree Wholesale and I got some stuff that I needed. I didn't get to vlog clearly. And then I also went to this jewelry store close by Clock Tower, and I got a nose ring because I've been out for so long. My nose probably cough up by now, but better try than never try, right? This is the nose ring. So but when I get home, I'm gonna clean it and then put it in. I'm going home to cook. Of course, you know I'm gonna show you guys while I'm cooking, because that's what I do. I'm a cooking queen. I almost said I'm a cooking cream. That would be fitting too, right? You know what's so funny? I'm talking to you guys and I'm like, why the hell am I being so corny today? I'm being super corny for no reason. Alrighty, I just need to go home. I need to shower. I need to cook. I got the shells, jumbo shells. So tired, it's not even funny how tired I am. Why not you guys? I'm going on the road now, and I'm gonna bring some of the dinner I made last night, not a lot, to one of my friends. I have some containers to drop off to her. I'm gonna visit another friend to collect some stuff, and then I'm gonna visit my other friend to do my nails for me. And that's the perks of having good friends. But I'm gonna stop at Devon House to get each of them some ice cream and just kind of surprise them, you know. Yeah, I just want to do something sweet for them today. I hope I can come back by 5 p.m. It's now, let's see, wishful thinking, at least 6. It's now 2:48. Oh, you tap it? I need to sign? Okay. I just got all the ice cream, but I'm gonna actually drop this off, as I said, a little of my dinner from yesterday for one of my friends. I want her to taste it, but she haven't given up my dish. I'm gonna go now because, as I said, I don't want them to melt and I want them to enjoy them and little ice cream. So we're gonna go now to friend 1. There's one friend though. There's one friend I really wish I could bring her something. She's always bringing me stuff, but girl, you live too far and I can't climb the hill right now, so I'll make it up to you a different day. So I just did one delivery. I'm doing another one, the other one now. So now I'm heading to my friend, my other friend, and I actually just had dinner at my friend's home, so that was good. She actually cooked her chicken and white rice, but I've some to come home with tomorrow.
Yes. Make it be like, okay, at least you went twice.
True. No, this is you.
Got you.
I told them I was coming by my friend to do my nails.
Oh.
They really commendable. You are welcome. You keep your little self. Thank you, Roro.
You see? Let me tell you something.